Hey everyone, this is Sanya and you're watching my channel FLF Blogger, which is very new to YouTube, and I'll be explaining you what my channel is going to be about. So my channel says Sanya FLF Blogger, so that means F stands for fitness, L stands for lifestyle, F stands for food. So we'll be covering all these three things in my channel. I hope you like it, and in case if you find any corrections, or there's something that you don't like, or there's something that I can improve, so please feel free to comment in the box, and I will surely keep a note of it. Well, this is an introduction video I'm making. So first thing first, I'll be talking about fitness. Well, fitness to me has always been a hobby. Well, before my marriage, I was pretty active during my school days or maybe college, and then after my marriage, I got a little, lazy, and I used to always linger around eating stuff, and I had put on a lot of weight, and I got married. Well, I got pregnant in the second year of my marriage. So when I delivered my child, well, I have a beautiful baby girl. So when I delivered my daughter, I had put on 18 kilos. So my weight was 93. Well, I was hell scared standing on that scale. I stood and I weighed like around 93 kilos, and already I was going through that postpartum depression. Now people don't talk about it. Ladies, especially in India, they don't talk about it. They accept it the way it is. Nahi bhai, humne baby paida kiya hai, so this is gonna happen to us. We're gonna grow fat. Okay, it's okay to put 20-25 kilos after postpartum, and there's no thought about reducing that weight or getting back in shape. So well, it's normal, it's very normal to put on weight. It's okay to have blues, postpartum blues. It's okay. Nobody tells you that, but I mean, nobody told me. In fact, I had gone through shit. I had listened to people saying me, you've grown so fat, you don't fit into your clothes, you look like auntie, you many things. Even I had somebody telling me, I mean, my husband told me that I'm not supposed to be taken to any of the parties because I don't look good anymore. So he told me because he wanted me to get in shape. So he was taunting me, but at that point I felt gross. I felt very bad. I mean, is this what that I deserve? Is this what my life is gonna be? Am I gonna be in this shape forever? In another, I'm just gonna touch 1 quintal with another 7 kilos if I put on. And that day, that very day, I decided to join gym or do any sort of fitness. But gym was a better option for me. I started my journey on my fitness journey on 3rd July 2018. Yes, that was the day. And my daughter was gonna turn 1 on September 14th. So approximately I had two and a half months. In this 2.5 months, I had to show everybody. I wanted to wear a sari. And then I decided to just start up working out, and follow a diet and look after myself and do whatever is good. Now this is when I started enjoying fitness, and I had given my whole interest, whole concentration, the entire body, my soul, my mind was in it. I started doing it. It was tough. It was very tough. I had sore body almost every first, second, third day, and I was completely, I can still feel that I was completely restless. because I was putting so much of effort. No, you don't have to go that way. You can go smooth, you can go slowly. And when it was my daughter's first birthday, yes, I wore sari. Yes, I lost 16 kilos in 2.5 months. There was no strong diet I was doing. I was eating right, I was eating healthy, I was working out a lot. But आपका जो postpartum fat, post pregnancy fat है, वो निकलने में आसानी हो जाती है if you start really quick. I mean, if you start after 6 or 7 months of your delivery, yes, you can cut off that fat, and you follow a right diet, and you follow a right schedule. You sleep early, you wake up early, you do everything on the given time, so you can do it. Yes, I did. And then this journey started, and now it has become a part of my life. I enjoy my fitness, I enjoy doing workout. I cannot do without it now. It's every day I have to do it, no matter what. So here I am here to tell every woman out there, you girls are fabulous. Nobody is gonna tell you, कोई आपके पास आएगा नहीं आपको बताने के लिए. Nobody is gonna explain you that it's okay if you're looking fat. It's okay if you are chubby. It's okay if you don't fit into your old clothes. It's fine. Relax. Wake up. Stand up for yourself. Go. Work out. Do right things. Diet properly. I'm not asking you to do any keto diet or keto diet, whatever diets are there. I'm not asking you to do that. Just eat right. Looking myself into the mirror, and I could see the transformation. I could fit into my old clothes. I could take a selfie. I could ask anybody to take my picture. Earlier I was so scared, like, if he doesn't take a good angle, I would look fat from here. My thighs would look big, my butt might look bigger. So these things kept on going in my mind all the time. But I'm so glad that these things have actually, I took it on me, I took it as a challenge, and I did it. And whenever somebody comes and tell me that, looking at you, we started working out, looking at you, we have changed our ways, and we started working out, we started following a healthy diet, that makes me feel so good. And then I thought of launching a channel, and this is what I'm going to talk about for the fitness. Here is some videos that I'm going to share you from my journey, that is from fat to fitness. I hope you're gonna like this video, and keep supporting, keep liking, and subscribe my channel. Also, please press this bell icon in the bottom, and so that you get to know whenever I upload another video. Until next time, bye, take care.